When the frost bites the snow and Christmas comes around.
Hello guys, and welcome back to the Advent Calendar series, guys. Today we do in fact have day number 2, so let's get right on with this. As you can see guys, this here was day number 1. We got First Order Starship, so let's open up day number 2. After a few little mishaps, basically me and the able to read instructions, here is the ship. I don't know if you can see very well, so let's pick up here. This is the sort of Caliban command ship. So this is from the back. Yeah, focusing, and there that's from the front. Looks pretty cool, so we've got a first order theme going on so far. And yeah, it's a pretty cool build, I think. Very, very unique build. I like how it's done. But yeah, it's pretty nice. So that's the two for so far, guys. That's the two we've got so far. Day 1 and day 2. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all tomorrow.